Hi everyone, welcome to PHP tutorial. We are going to carry on with eg008. This is a list of suggestions how you should use this video. The notes for this video can be found at this URL, which is loaded here. And if we scroll down to eg008, we stop at insert, we finish insert, and we are going to do update. Okay? So to get it started, you need to start your Apache web server and your MySQL database server if you have not started it. And you also need to load your C drive, temp myphp, eg008, these are all the files. And we are going to take a look from the localhost. eg008, you have your insert, okay, you finished. So now we are going to do update. Again, before you update, you want to make sure your update statement actually works, okay? So before we do that, I'm going to load up the phpMyAdmin first so you can see the content of the database. Click on admin for MySQL, you open up phpMyAdmin. If you are prompt for username and password, just type this, Harry Elbow Monkey. I did not log out last time, so I can just go in. Alright, go to Kung Fu Panda Shop, products, and let's insert the log chain again so we can update the log chain later. So if you do the insert, log chain is inserted, come here, browse again. You will see log chain below. Log chain is ID 15. Okay, so we can do log chain update based on ID 15. Let's go back. So when you create your update, you can load update here. Alright, before we actually do the update, we want to write the SQL statement for update so that we know that the SQL statement that we are going to use is correct. So let us do update products table where the category ID equal to 15. So let's write a simple SQL update. You want to update the products table. You want to set the list price equal to, say, alright, log chain is 15.55, 15.5. Right, you don't like 15.5, you want to up the price to 17.99. Okay. And alright, so 19.99. But you cannot just do this. If you do this, you update everybody. That's not good. So you say where something unique, product ID is equal to 15. So update products, set the list price equal to that, where you must set a condition or else something bad may happen, where the product ID equal to 15. Okay. Alright, let's try this. Control C to copy, come over here, go to SQL, make sure you are under the Kung Fu Panda Shop database, go to SQL, Control V to paste, click go, one row affected, things done, come over here, I'm sorry, click on the products again, your log chain is updated to 19.99. Okay, very good. So now you know that your SQL update statement works. The next thing to do is put this in a PHP code, but then you cannot update to 19.99 again. So let's update this to 21.11. Okay, so you know that this will work. Okay, so to do that, let us come over here and create a new, right click new text document. Let's call it eg008 underscore update .php. Open this up. And we can copy something, all right, from other things. So let's copy some code from 8C so we do not have to write everything from scratch. The first thing we want to copy from 8C obviously is the require. Right, and then you have to do this stuff. Probably you can copy a lot of stuff. You can copy this later, right? But to do that first, let's create something called a query, which is a string. And we just copy this thing here. Okay, this is hard coding. That is not good. So let's take out the semicolon here. Don't forget to take out the semicolon. So this is hard coding. This is not good. So you want to put the product ID in a variable. Product ID equal to 15, and then you want to put the price in a variable, 21.11, and then later you want to bind value. Okay, so you want to say the list price equal to price and product ID equal to product ID. Okay, and now I can copy code. I go to my AC, I copy my prepare bind value and execute. Come over here, and I need to get rid of the old bind value, and I need two bind values. Okay, one is the price, bind to price. The next one is the product ID, bind to product ID. Okay, and then you execute it, and then you want to close the cursor. And you can do the same thing that you do in the insert. That is, you can include your select, okay, so that you can see the changes immediately. All right, so right now you come over here, your log chain is 19.99, okay, and come over here, you want to do your update. I'm going to do the update to 20.11, and after that you will see that your log chain is 20.11. Okay, that is correct. All right. So this is one way to do this. Another way to do this is you don't want to include the AC. You want to create your own HTML file below, and then say how many rows has been updated. Okay. So instead of 21.1, oh, before I go there, let's come over here just to prove that this is updated. So you browse again. So now it's 21.11. Okay. All right. So you come back over here. Now I don't like this. Okay. I don't want to do the select. I want to do my own HTML file below and say how many rows has been updated. So let's change the price back to 18.88. Save your work, and then you want to create a HTML code below. To do that, I'm going to copy the AC select, the start, which is the doc type, HTML, the head, all right, and the body. You know what? I'm going to copy everything and I'm just going to delete stuff. So let me just copy everything. Shift select everything. Come over here. I'm going to put it below, and I'm going to start delete stuff. All right. So I copy the AC select. I put it into AE update, and then I change this to AE update. And then I'm going to get rid of the stuff in the body, everything in the body gone. Okay, so I have a clean file, and I'm going to create ID, because in main.css there's an ID called content. Let's check it out. Alright, so here there is a ID called content. Hey, that will make it prettier. So I'm going to go back to update and say ID equal to content. And then we say PHP code if if I want to get the number of rows that have been updated, because here is pretty obvious the number of rows should be 1, but what if you need to update multiple rows? After you execute, actually it will return a integer, which is number of rows being updated, and we assign it to a variable called row count. And then we say here, if the row count is bigger than 0, then so if that happens, you will say how many rows are updated. So let's try that. Save your work. Update, click on update. They will say 1 row is updated. Okay, all right. That's not very pretty. Add a space. All right, that should be prettier. All right, 1 row is updated. Okay, and then if you go back and check your admin, you will get 18.88. So you browse again, you will get 18.88. Okay, all right, that is a good place to stop. In the next video, we are going to talk about delete. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.